Today, I'll show you how to sign out of Gmail. This is a quick and simple process, but it's an important one, especially if you ever check your email on a shared or public computer. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly where to click, what to look for, and how to be sure you're fully signed out of your account. Let's start from the beginning. First, you'll need to open Gmail. You can do this on a computer by opening your web browser and going to the Gmail website, or by clicking the Gmail shortcut if you have one saved. If you're already signed in, you'll be taken straight to your inbox. If not, you may need to sign in first, and then you'll see your email list just like you normally do. Once your inbox is open and loaded, look toward the top right corner of the screen. Here, you'll see a small circular icon. This is your profile icon. It might show your photo, your initials, or a generic avatar depending on how your account is set up. This profile icon is the main control for managing which Google account you're using and for signing out. Go ahead and click that profile icon. When you click it, a small panel will drop down. In this panel, you'll see information about the account you're currently using, such as your name or the email address associated with the account. If you use multiple Google accounts, you might also see a list of the other accounts you've signed into on this browser. In that same panel, look for the option that says Sign Out. On some layouts, you might see Sign Out or Sign Out of all accounts if you're logged into more than one. In this tutorial, we're focusing on signing out of the account you're currently using. Move your mouse to the Sign Out option and click it. After you click Sign Out, Gmail will log you out of that account in this browser. You may be taken to a page that shows a list of accounts that have been used on this device, or to a general Google sign-in page. This is a good indication that the sign out worked. If you see a sign-in button or a prompt to enter your email address again, that means you're no longer signed into your Gmail account. It's a good habit, especially on shared devices, to close the browser tab or window after you've signed out. This helps make sure no one can just click back into your session. If you ever want to confirm that you're fully signed out, you can try visiting the Gmail website again. If it asks you to sign in, you'll know your previous session has ended successfully. To recap in simple terms, open Gmail, click your profile icon in the top right corner, then click Sign Out. Once you've done that, you're safely logged out of your Gmail account on that browser. That's all there is to it. Now you know how to sign out of Gmail quickly and confidently whenever you need to.